So it's the moment I've been waiting for. About a week ago, I went on to Amazon and I ordered some kettlebells, a set of kettlebells, so I could exercise at home and get fitter. So I thought I was going to receive a set of kettlebells. What turned up was this. And just to put it into context, that's a tube of Pringles, and here is my set of kettlebells. Here we go. Oh. My set of kettlebells are incredible. As you can see, it's not exactly a set of kettlebells. It's 1 2 kilogram kettlebell that I can lift with my little finger. Just to put this into context as well, my cat weighs 5 kilograms. So I'm going to go and find the cat and get fit.